Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Jones, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about Essential Oils 101 on your animals. So you might be asking, where do I start? It is important that you first build trust with the animal that you are applying the oils to. When the animal trusts you, it allows you to read them easier. Remember to go slowly, follow your natural instincts. You know your pet best. Before using any essential oil on your pets or animals, you want to introduce them to the scent of the oil first. This can be accomplished by diffusing an oil around the animal's face, applying the oil to yourself and interacting with the animal. Apply the oil to your hands and let the animal smell them. So spend several minutes introducing your animal to the new essential oil. Your pet will respond better to the essential oil if they feel comfortable and familiar with the scent. Be careful, you do not want to create any kind of negative experience while wearing, diffusing, or using the essential oil. Your animal will associate scents which could result in an adverse reaction. So what exactly is an adverse reaction? This is when they dislike it, and you can tell by their behavior. This can usually occur when an oil has been aggressively introduced. Aversions arise very quickly and can take a long time to overcome. This is why it is so important to go slowly and know your animal first. Tips for using essential oils with animals are: you want to use common sense and good judgment when using them. Avoid using hot oils or oils that could cause irritation. If you would like to use a particular oil on yourself and do not want to use them on your pet, start with very small amounts. Remember, Young Living essential oils are ultimately pure and highly concentrated. Always have a carrier oil on hand, such as Young Living V6. Never dilute with water. This presses the oils deeper into the pet's skin and causes more irritation, and never try to use another essential oil to counteract the effect of an essential oil. Did you know that most animals are more sensitive to the essential oils compared to humans? Always be sure to dilute, heavily used before when directed. Every animal will respond differently. Use your best judgment for your pet. Take special care to keep the oils away from the animal's eyes. You want to be careful to not put it in the sensitive areas like the eyes, nose, and feet where these sensitivities are. Cats are generally very adverse to citrus oils. Use with extreme caution. Tips for using essential oils with animals: you want to avoid oregano, thyme, and high phenol essential oils such as wintergreen, anise, birch, clove, basil, tarragon, fennel, mountain savory, peppermint, cinnamon bark, citronella, marjoram, nutmeg, eucalyptus oils, ylang ylang, tea tree, and calamus. So size matters. Dilution is best. Dilute prior to every application at least 80 to 90% prior to using on your smaller animals. Example, 1 drop of oil with 4 to 5 drops of carrier oil. When applying oils to cats or small dogs, use 3 to 5 drops of pre-diluted oil. For larger animals, start with 3 to 5 drops unless otherwise indicated on the label. Dilution is probably unnecessary. For very large animals, start with 10 drops unless otherwise indicated on the label, and dilution is unnecessary. So where do you put them on your pet? So you want to put them on their paws. This is a great location for topical application on dogs and cats. Hooved animals, apply oil or blend to the spine or flanks. For large animals, where the areas are hard to reach, combine oil and blend with the carrier oil in a spray bottle for easier application. Tip: use the animal scent anointment to seal and protect areas that have topical applied oils on them. So you can use Thieves, which supports normal immune response, supports healthy skin function, aids in body's natural response to irritation and injury. This promotes healthy respiratory function. Dab 1 to 2 drops gently to an affected area or create a mist and spray about 4 to 6 inches from an affected area. You could use frankincense, which also supports a normal and healthy brain function. So tap 1 to 4 drops on the palm and rub palms together and put the oils on the animal on the spine, neck, and chest. You can also use lavender. This brings a sense of balance and harmony. It aids in the body's response to irritation, supports normal and healthy brain function, encourages positivity during interactions with others. So tap 2 to 6 drops on your palm, rub your palms together, and gently pet the animal on the spine, neck, or stomach. So Digest supports normal digestion, including promoting healthy intestinal function and gastrointestinal system support. Tap 1 to 4 drops on your palm, rub your palms together, and gently pet the animal on the spine, stomach, and back. So purification promotes skin health. It reinforces the systemic defenses. It has cleansing and purifying properties. It promotes healthy respiratory function. Tap 1 to 2 drops directly on the affected area. So cystis promotes healthy skin and cell renewal. They can have sinful nature too. Supports cardiovascular function and health, which you want to place 1 to 4 drops directly on the affected area, then pet the animal gently on the spine, neck, and chest. Raven promotes healthy respiratory function, so you want to put 1 to 4 drops on your palm, rub palms together, and gently pat the animal on the spine, neck, and chest. And then peppermint supports the gastrointestinal system, and it helps to maintain mental acuity. Tap 2 to 4 drops on your palm, rub palms together, and pet the animal on the spine and the stomach. So Panaway supports the nervous system, supports healthy cell function, and encourages joint health and fluid movement. It also helps occasional ear discomfort. It aids in body's response to environmental threats. Dilute with carrier oil and apply directly on the affected area. Avoid open or raw tissue. And then peace and calming facilitates release of negative emotions. It encourages positively during interactions with others. It promotes emotional renewal. It aids in body's natural response to injury. So what you want to do is tap 1 to 6 drops on your palm, rub your palms together, and then gently pet your animal on the spine and stomach every 15 minutes if needed. Helichrysum supports nervous and brain function. It supports overall cognitive health, encourages positivity during interaction with others. So put 1 to 4 drops on your palm, rub your palms together, and gently pet the animal on the spine, neck, and chest. So Ortho Ease massage oil supports healthy cell renewal and encourages joint health and fluid motion, and helps relax and calms one's thoughts. Squirt 1/4 to 1 full squirt into the palm, and rub your palms together and gently pet the animal on the affected areas. Avoid petting on open wounds, as this may cause irritation. So Animal Sense product line is a line that was created specifically for animals both large and small. It includes 6 essential oil blends formulated in the appropriate strengths for animals, addressing some of the most common symptoms that they might have. This can be used whether the animal is large or small, or exotic or domestic. So PuraClean, this supports proper cleaning. Add 1 to 2 drops of the affected area, or create a mist and put 8 to 10 drops in a spray bottle with distilled water and mist in a quick cleansing spritz. So Mend Well promotes healthy skin repair. Massage 1 to 2 drops to the affected area. Infect Away supports proper healing and supports a healthy immune response. Add 1 to 2 drops to the affected area to support wound healing and create a mist to cover a larger area. And then Animal Sense Ointment is a protective and soothing salve used to support skin health, so you can soothe your pets without the harmful chemicals. Apply as you would any other ointment. And Repel Aroma, this deters pests and promotes skin health. Apply 2 to 4 drops in your hand and pet your animal's coat. Great for diffusing in areas of the home. And then Tea Away is used to support positive emotions and perseverance, and can be used to aid in calming your animal. So add 1 drop behind each ear to calm or diffuse for up to 30 minutes 3 times a day. And then Paragese reinforces the intestinal tract while supporting healthy immune function. Add 1 to 2 drops of water for internal support. Thank you so much for joining us for this animal health seminar, and we hope to present more at a later date. Thank you.
Ashlyn, and today she's going to be showing us how to put on some fly spray that we made with some essential oils on Daisy. This is Daisy and her baby Spencer, and that's Churro in the background. And so Daisy tends to get a little anxious when we spray any bottles near her, and starts to jump around and go crazy. So first Ashlyn is going to let her smell some lavender. Then we made this little inhaler, or you can just put it on your hands, and just letting her smell it, and just put it by her, place it by her nose so that she can inhale it. And the fly spray that we made is actually made up of 2 cups of white vinegar, 4 caps of baby oil, 10 drops of lavender, eucalyptus, and peppermint. And then just make sure that you shake it really well before you use it. So what the fly spray is going to do is it's going to keep, oh, she's getting low. Good job, Daisy. It's going to keep the flies at bay during the summer. Stay away from her back end there. And keep them from laying eggs, and just, you know, they tend to get really bad out here in the summertime. Ooh, Spencer let you put some on too. Good job, Spencer. All right. This is Alexis, and she is going to be working with Churro today. She is our miniature donkey, and she likes to be out here with the big guys, but tends to get a little startled. And so Alexis is going to use Stress Away, and what she's going to do is she's going to go ahead and put a drop on her hands. Churro doesn't know what to think about this. Okay, that's good. And then she will rub it around, and then rub it on the inside of Churro's ears. And hopefully we'll keep Churro a little bit calmed down. She likes to kick the other animals, which is her job, but not her friends. Do you have any more treats? Make her come back here. She's smelling it right now. And I have a friend that came up behind me.
Hi, my name is Paula. I'm a good high school friend of Dr. Teresa Jones, and this is Charlie. He is going to be our little guinea pig, as such, to demonstrate how to apply essential oils to dogs. He's very large, as you can see. So you really need to pay attention to this. This roller bottle is already, I've already made it, so you need to go on your dog's weight, in which Dr. Jones will cover the ratio to essential oil to carrier oil later. But Charlie, this is Paragese, in which this is used for, similar to the human's diagnose and essential oil. Works basically the same way. He gets a little gassy from time to time, so I like to rub this on his abdominal area, and it does help relieve some of his gas, and because he eats his food very fast, and I have a feeling that's what causes that. So, Charlie, will you roll over? Oh, You're such a good specimen. Anyway, and so you just want to take the roller ball and you just kind of, you just roll it around. I like to roll it around a little bit in the abdominal area, and then I like to massage it in. He likes it. I don't know how good it is actually, but he loves it. He's very relaxed, as you can see. He loves essential oils. And in the summertime, I also, for mosquitoes, I like to use lavender, and of course I cut mine with grapeseed oil, and I just will spray it in my hands and then just rub it all over him, and so far so good. And there's a lot of essential oils that are good for dogs and some that aren't, and so that's the good thing about this video. Dr. Jones will tell you what's good to use on dogs and what is not. So.
All right, say bye, Charlie. Thanks for your help.
Bye.